Hello friends, today we are going to discuss repeating digits in CSAT, right? In CSAT, UPSC often gives very big numbers and makes students feel that long calculation is required. Okay, it makes you think that long calculation is required to come to the correct answer. But in many such questions, no calculation is needed at all. So many questions in CSAT is not required to calculate. I hope things are clear. Why in many such questions no calculation is needed is because the number is not random. You have to be careful while seeing the number and recognizing the pattern of that number, because UPSC won't take the number randomly and place that number in the question randomly. So randomness is very less in the UPSC. If you want to make a question in random numbers, that will be the big process for him, right? So number is not random. It is made by repeating digits or block of digits. So number is made up of repeating digit or block of digit. I hope you are getting the things clearly. So here UPSC want to check whether you notice the repetition, not whether you can divide large number. So that's what division skills is not required here to solve such big numbers. The only skill you have to know is pattern recognition. If you understand pattern recognition correctly, you will solve easily a big number question without any calculation. Let us see. So what are the repeated digits? It is like 111, 222, 333, and a repetition structures like ABC, ABC, and XY, XY like structure, and number that hide factors like 37, 3, 117, and also 30. These are the things where UPSC use very frequently to frame the questions. I hope you are getting the things clearly. So when you see the number like 111, it is like 37 into 3 is equal to 111. In the same way, when you see 222, it is in the form of 6 into 37 is equal to 222. And the same way, 333 is 9 into 37, 444 is 12 into 37. If you observe carefully, the pattern remains here. 37 is constant, but here what we can observe is 3 table is repeating, right? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 3 5s are 15. Then it is like 555. I hope you are getting the clarity. So whenever the number repeats itself 3 times, that number is going to divisible by 37 at any cost. This is the major rule you have to keep in your mind. I hope you are getting the things clearly. And in the same way, when a number is like this, ABC and ABC, I mean to say, it is like 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. First 3 digits number, it is repeating again, then that number is divisible by 1001. This is the important area you have to focus. So 1001 can be written as 7 into 11 into 13. I hope you are getting the points clearly. So when you recognize repetition, instantly you don't compute. I mean to say, you don't compute means you don't calculate. You just conclude whether it is divisible by that number or not. I hope the things are getting clear. Let us see CSAT 2024 question. Okay, 222 to the power of 333 plus 333 to the power of 222 is divisible by which of the following number? He is asking, this number has a whole is divisible by which numbers? So whenever you see such numbers, you will panic in exam like conditions and you will start to do all the division, all the multiplication, all the exponents, all the powers like things. But you should be very calm and you should have a skill of pattern recognition. That skill will save you from consuming time in solving such type of questions. So we have decoded and we have seen the hidden structures of the number, right? So if you see, this 222 can be written as, here what we have saw, 6 into 37 is equal to 222. And in the same way, 333 can be written as 9 into 37, 333, right? Whenever these numbers, you can divide it by 37, right? So 37 is a common number. Yes, 37 here, 37 here is 37, here is 37, and here is also 37. But it is not, 37 is not an option for this A. So we can eliminate safely here, right? And again, if you divide 3 and 37 but not 2, we will check, right? Here 2 can be divided by 222. No, 222 can be divided by 2, right? So 111 will be answer. 333 cannot be divided by 2, right? So it cannot be divided by 2. So you keep hold on this option. And you see third option, 2 and 37 but not 3. So this answer is not a valid answer. Then this is also an absolute wrong. So here the correct answer is 3 and 37 but not 2. I hope you are getting the points clearly. So instead of giving direct question, like you forgot these powers, and if you multiply these, if you add these, 22 222 plus 333 is equal to 555. So 555, you know divisibility rule of 3, right? It is like sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. So sum of the digits is 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. That is 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So 6 is divisible by 3, right? But you know divisibility rule of 2. In one's unit, in one's place, the digits should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So here we can't see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is not divisible by 2. We can come to conclusion very easily without any calculation. But unless and until you recognize the pattern. I hope you are getting my point. So in a simple word, I can say that same digit repeat, like if same digit repeats like 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 and so on, 7, 7, 7, 7, how many times we can write? That many times we can write. So that number can be divisible by 3 as well as 37. I hope you are getting my points. Whenever the same digit repeats multiple times, that number will be divisible by 3 as well as 37. First point to be noted. In the same way, the second example we can conclude is group of digits repeated. It is like group of digits like A, B, C, A, B, C. In real numbers, we can see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If this number is repeating itself by a block of 3 digits, then that number has to be divisible by 1001. And this is a multiple of 7 into 11 into 37, right? So whenever you see such structure, number structure, and you see the number like 7, 11 and 37 in option, that are going to be a correct answer. I hope you are getting the things clearly. So UPSC is not testing max here. Okay, be clear here. It is testing your observation, and by observation, how you are thinking calmly, it is testing. It is testing calm thinking under pressure. And one more thing is ability to avoid unnecessary calculation. Okay, these are the major 3 areas where you have to focus. So most students start dividing. Smart students recognize pattern and finish in second. I hope you are getting my points clearly. So let us see some MCQ types where we can practice these model questions, right? Practice MCQs. So let us see. First question is, consider the number n 777 and 777. The question is, which of the following numbers must divide n? So what he is asking, this number n should be divided by which number? Must divide. So we can't say 9, we can't say 17, but we can say 37 because we know the pattern. And we have observed the pattern. Whenever the number itself is repeating multiple times, it can be divisible by 37 at any cost. I hope you are getting my point. So the 37 is the answer. And the next question, in number system, if you carefully observe, in a number system questions, in recent PYQs, you can clearly observe that they are not at all mentioning the number in the number system question. They are just making a statement wise questions. So be careful while reading the question of number system and answering the questions. So English is very necessary in number system questions. So you have to understand the question very clearly. Such type of questions are game changer in UPSC CSAT questions, CSAT paper. I hope you are getting the things clearly. Let us see second question. A number is formed writing 3-digit number, like ABC is a 3-digit number, and it is a number n is equal to, it is formed with the 3-digit number twice in succession. Twice means 2 times. Succession means immediately after, right? So then n is ABC, ABC. Which of the following statements are correct? So if you carefully observe, he didn't mention any numerical value in the question. But what he is asking, which of the following statements are correct? He has given 3 statements. The number is divisible by 7. The number is divisible by 11. The number is divisible by 13. So, whenever the number itself is repeating by block of 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it is like 1, 2, 3 into, just now I have said, 110. 1001. So it is like 7 into 11 into 13, right? So select the correct answer using the below code. So it is divisible by 7, it's absolutely correct, and it is divisible by 11, it is also correct, and it is divisible by 13. I hope you are getting the things clearly. Okay. In the same way, the answer is 1, 2 and 3. In the same way, consider the expression 222 to the power of 101 plus 333 to the power of 100. Which of the following statements are correct? In the same way, what he asked in 2024, in the same pattern, he asked, but it is very somewhat twisty. Which of the following statements are correct? He is asking, this number is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, because we have seen in the 2024 question that this number is divisible by 3. Why 2 is divisible by 3 and 222 is divisible by 3 as well as 333 also divisible by 3. How? The hidden number system is 3 into 6 into 37 is equal to 222, right? In the same way, 9 into 37 is equal to 333. So here 3 is divisible. So first statement is correct. And again, 37 is the most common thing when the number is repeating itself. So 37 is also correct. But whether it is divisible by 2 or not, we have to check. Already we have checked in 2024 P by Q. It is not divisible by 2. So it is not. So the answer is 1 and 2 only. Let's go to fourth question. Consider the following number. N is equal to 8188. It is like ABC, ABC and ABC. So 3 times it is repeating. So whenever the number is repeating 3 times, that number is like 1001001. I hope you are getting my point. This is the number where we can see. So this number is the multiple of 7 into 11 into 13 into 37. Okay. Up to here, it is like the multiple of 1001. But when 37 is multiplied, it becomes 101001. I hope you are getting my point. So just carefully observe the statements. N is divisible by 7. Yes, 7 is there. N is divisible by 11. Yes, 11 is there. N is divisible by 37. Yes, 37 is there. Select the correct answer using the code below. So C is the correct answer. I hope you are getting the things clearly. In the same way, a number consists of 9 identical digits. Okay. A number consists of 9 identical digits. Okay. It is like 9 identical digits means you can take as 1 into 1. It is like 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. Or we will take number as 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? This is the identical 9-digit number. Which of the following statements are correct? The number is divisible by 3. Okay. The number is divisible by 3. So everything depends on the property of this thing only. You have to be very careful. So sum of the digits, let's see. Sum of the digits is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 9, and that is 90. We can check it as, right? So 9 is divisible by 3. So it is thus 9 identical digits is divisible by 3. I hope you are getting the things clearly. And in the same way, it is divisible by 37. Yes. So it is identical and it has to be divisible by 37. So when you divided this number with 3 as a 90, it is divisible, right? So when you are dividing 90 with 9, so it is divisible by 9 also. So it is also correct. So the correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. I hope you are getting my point. So if you want to practice such types of MCQs and if you want to understand the key concept where UPSC is making question in hidden form, please comment continue under this video for more CSAT 2026 concept MCQs. These are the most important concepts where you won't spend at least 10 seconds to solve these questions. I hope you got clear-cut idea regarding this repetitive digits and the structure of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and the block is repeating multiple times. I hope you got the clarity. Please subscribe if you like. Thank you so much.